Uncle and auntie, well done. No? Only you attend another person's party and you bring your playlist to the party. You will not allow the DJ to do his job. Every minute, Mr. DJ, play Mark Morrison. Mr. DJ, play Salawa Abeni. Mr. DJ, play Wasiu Ayinde. Mr. DJ, Oliver De Coke. Mr. DJ, give us the band. Only you. Every time you are just asking the DJ. Let the DJ do his job. The DJ has been paid to do his job. It is not in your place to be asking DJ to play, to change song up and down. It is not your party. You understand? It is not your party. So next time you go to a party, enjoy yourself, dance to whatever the DJ is playing to. And if you want to become a DJ, you too go and buy turntable and be doing waka wiki wiki waka wiki waka. You can mix anything you want to mix. Hopefully you find somebody to hire you. Don't go to another person's party and be requesting for song up and down. You are not the party owner. Shebo, don't do that next time. Stop Shebe. Oshisko.
That penalty, don't throw it.